Right, Trip. So I've been looking for a new chair for a wee while now. We looked at a few different ones, and obviously, top of the list was Secret Labs. They're known for their quality and comfort, known for lasting quite a long time, and obviously, they're the best chairs there is. So I finally decided to fork it and get one, and thought, well, I've got one, I may as well do a wee video of me building it. So check out the vid. So I've took the wheels out. This is the covers. This is the covers for the armrests, which go on here. And look at this. Like literally look at this. It literally has its own toolkit. Right, so we came to the toolkit part, and there's quite a bit to it. Yeah, let's see if I can do this right.
Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, I can help you.
Hey, quick update. Got the bits ready. Just need to put the back plate on, now put the wheels on.
we're good to go.